This is one of my Cholla cactuses. I don't yet know what type of Cholla it is. I'm hoping it's like a buckhorn or staghorn Cholla. Those do tend to get the purple color, so hopefully that's what this is. It was very purple in the winter time. Right now it's summer, well, the end of summer, September 18th. Still really small, but it is growing. And we're actually getting some much needed rain here in Blythe, California. You can probably hear some rolling thunder. And if you don't know where Blythe, California is, it's on the border between Arizona and California. It's the last town in California before you cross into Arizona, and so it is in the Sonoran Desert. And in fact, we have hotter average temperatures than Phoenix does, including a higher record temperature than Phoenix. Their record was 122, ours was 124. All right, thanks for watching.